If you're wondering how to select a free plan in Asana, you're in the right place. Whether you're just getting started with project management or trying to figure out which plan fits your needs, I'm here to break it all down in under 5 minutes. Stick around because I'm going to give you the complete guide and an exclusive bonus to make this process even easier. First, let's talk about why selecting a free plan might be the best option for you. Asana's free plan is a great starting point for individuals or small teams, offering a solid set of features without any upfront costs. This means you can start organizing tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with your team without worrying about a budget. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to select this free plan. Next thing, head to Asana's website. You'll find a Get Started or Sign Up button. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to create an account. You can sign up with your Google account, Microsoft, or just use an email address. Quick and easy. The fourth thing you'll want to do is choose your workspace or organization. Asana will ask you to define whether you're using it for personal tasks, a small team, or a larger group. For now, if you're aiming for the free plan, just select the option that best fits your current needs, like a personal project or a small team setup. Once you're logged in and your workspace is set up, the next thing you should do is navigate to the plans page. Here's the important part. Asana will automatically try to push you toward the premium features, but you don't need to get distracted by that. Select the basic plan. This is the free version, and it's perfect for individuals or small teams just starting out. You'll have access to all the essential tools to create tasks, projects, and even integrate with some basic apps. At this point, you're almost there. You can now start creating your projects, adding team members if needed, and getting work done. And remember, this free plan will stay free with no need for credit card information, so there's no risk in getting started. Lastly, if you're enjoying the basic plan but need more features later, you can always upgrade to one of Asana's paid plans. However, for now, this free plan will give you everything you need to stay organized, communicate, and get things done effectively. Before we wrap up, here's the exciting part. I'm offering an exclusive bonus. You can use Asana for completely free from the first link below, and I've included an extended free trial. So if you're ready to take your project management to the next level, check out the link and get started today. To summarize, selecting a free plan in Asana is simple. Sign up, pick the basic plan, and start organizing your work. And don't forget, the link below gives you an extended free trial to make your experience even better. That's all for this quick Asana tutorial on how to select a free plan. Make sure to check out the link in the description for your extended trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.